Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to the next class of Computer, Chapter 7, MSW Logo. Means more about MSW logo. In this chapter, children will be able to learn about describe what are primitives, know about the uses of different primitives, know how to hide turtle, and learn about the maths primitives. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so the first page is primitive. So primitives, as you already know, are the commands that we give in MSW logo. So let's learn more about primitives. Firstly, we are talking about forward primitive. Forward means to step ahead. So we give the forward or FD command to make the turtle move in the direction of its head. In this, turtle moves in the direction of head. For example, we want the turtle to move ahead by 80 steps. So what we do? We give a simple steps. Step 1, type forward. Step 2, press space bar. Step 3, type 80 and press enter. The turtle would move ahead by 80 steps. Now, talking about back primitive, to make the turtle move backward, we give the back or BK command to the turtle. It simply moves in the direction of its tail. For example, if we want the turtle to move 40 steps back, we will give the command as follows. Step 1, BK 40. Step 2, press enter key. Okay, students? Now the next page, moving forward and backward. So the turtle will move 40 steps back. We can give the BK or FD command, means backward, or forward command one after the other, so the turtle move one by one accordingly. Firstly, turtle move in forward direction, then turtle move in backward direction. Now to make the turtle move forward by 50 steps and then move it by the 30 steps. So we will follow the following commands. Step 1, FD 50. Step 2, BK 30. Then we press enter. This will make the turtle move just 20 steps in the direction of his head. Okay, students? Now, talking about home primitive. Home primitive makes the turtle come back to its default position. Means the turtle draws a line from its current position to its home position. To give home command, we simply need to write HOME in the input box and then press enter. So the command will come on its original position, which is home position. Now, talking about right primitive. To rotate the head of the turtle to its right, we give the RT or right command. You enter right or RT followed by the number of degrees. So, to make the turtle turn right, follow the following steps. Step 1, RT 90. Okay. Now the next page. Second step, press enter. This will rotate the turtle's head 90 degrees toward right. Okay. To rotate the head to the turtle to its left, we give the LT or left command. You enter LT or left followed by the number. So to make the turtle turn left, follow the following steps. Step 1, LT 90. Then again press enter. So what happened? This will rotate the turtle's head 90 degrees toward forward or toward left. Okay, students? So this is the symbol of home. This is the symbol of right. This is the symbol of backward. This is the symbol of left. And this is the symbol of forward. Now, talking about clean screen primitive. So, clean screen primitive or CS command clears the graphic screen and the turtle moves back to its home position. Now, the next page, clean command. Clean command clears the whole graphic window without changing the position of the turtle. Next, clear text primitive. So clear text primitive is denoted by CT command. To erase all the text in the recall list box, we give clear text or CT command. Now, talking about hide turtle primitive. So hide means बच्चों छुपाना. We can hide the turtle by giving the hide turtle or HT command. After hiding the turtle, the commands work normally. We can draw lines, but just we can't see the turtle moving because it's hiding. Now, show turtle primitive. So we can make the turtle appear again by giving the show turtle or ST command. It can help to show the turtle on screen. Okay, students? Now, the next page, maths with primitive or PR, print or PR. So you can do calculations with the help of print or PR statement. MSW uses the following symbols to calculate: for addition plus, for subtractions minus, for multiplication multiply, for divide division. Okay, so now let us see how we can use the PR command to print result of calculations. So type the following commands in the input box. Let us take an example of addition. If you have to add 30 to 40, you will use the following commands in the input box. Step 1, PR 30 plus 40. Then use step 2, follow the step 2, press enter and you will see the commands window. The result 70 will be seen in the commands window. Okay, similarly, taking the next example of subtraction, to subtract 18 from 40, you use the following command. So the step 1, PR 40 minus 18, then follow the step 2, press enter and you will see the command and the result 22 will be seen in the command window. So students, for multiplication you use the star, which you can put by using shift key with 8. Okay students. Now the next page, to multiply 40 with 5, you use the following commands. Step 1, PR 40 multiply by 5. Step 2, press enter and you will see the command and the result 200 will be seen in the commander window. Similarly, for division, you use slash to divide 120 by 30. You should use the following command. Step 1, PR 120 slash 30. Step 2, press enter and again you will see the command and the result 4 will be seen in the commander window. Okay students, I hope you all understood very well. We will meet you in next class. Thank you. Bye children.